I'm tired, but let's decorate the house for my daughter's birthday tomorrow. Not all of her party decorations are here. I was hoping to put them up tomorrow for her birthday and then they'd just be up for her party, but there was a delay in the shipment. So I don't have a whole lot to work with. I am switching out the tablecloth. This is like a Valentine's Day one, but it has like puppies and hearts. It's cute. I just had it on hand, so I'm gonna take off this Christmas tablecloth first and put that on. Oops. We have these little like clear plastic hooks to keep our tablecloths on. Next, I have these like foil fringe curtains that I think I'm gonna hang up across the windows. I don't really know if I want the windows covered up for the next couple days, but I don't really know where else to put them. Unless I put them over our whiteboard, but that would work. We would survive without a whiteboard for a couple days. Maybe I'll do that. We love our whiteboard though. Okay. It's fine. Next one. Colorful. Oh no, I think the green was supposed to come next, so it was like the rainbow. Dang it. What is going on? You know, it's not my best work, but it's making it look a little more festive in here. I'm gonna blow up some balloons, and I think I can kind of tape up there too. These are kind of small balloons. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do these three up here. Should I like tape these together? Ah! Ah!
Good idea.
Is this gonna last? Alright, let's do the other side. I got these tablecloths for her birthday party, but there's 3 in here, and I don't think I even need 3 for her party, so we're gonna use one. Hi! We're gonna use one tonight. Hi!
Hi. I was definitely not sneaking up on you to scare you at all.
I'm sure not.
She's normally facing the other way, and she wasn't.
I don't get scared.
Stay tuned to give you an assistance.
Alright, we're gonna have to get up and go to the store at 6 a.m. We need to go get donuts and flowers for our girl.
I would be happy to be up at 6 a.m. to do that for you.
With me. We can both go together.
Date? 6 a.m. date?
Yeah. So I'm thinking I have one more Barbie thing. Like, let's wrap both those and let her open them tomorrow morning. And then her baby can just be sitting on the counter next to the 2 presents. Yeah.
Okay.
My phone died, but I wanted to show you the end results here. I always deck out their door in streamers. To throw a bunch of balloons in their row. She picked out her outfit for tomorrow. Alright, it's dark, but then I just have streamers the rest of the way through. All through here. And some streamers randomly around the kitchen. And then this is what she'll wake up to. We're gonna go get donuts and flowers in the morning too.